Whew. Well, at least the store had these left. Paper towels are indispensable right now. Especially these. Didn't even come on a roll. How indispensable is a paper towel that you can't dispense without a dispenser? I need to dispense with this conversation and look at my junk. Okay. Well, doesn't really look promising, but neither is anything else in my life. I could either go simple or I could go fabulous. I think I'll go simply fabulous. Now this is what I need. Maybe these old bike fender. What are these? So, I need to make something that looks something like this. My only hope is that it looks better than whatever it is I just drew. It's something to pull them up out of there. Now, I can use this as a pattern. This old glove box. I wonder why they call this a glove box. Well, it's because you get gloves out of this. I mean, somebody did. I didn't get anything. And then you call that box that is in your car a glove box. I've never gotten any gloves out of that either. Okay. Got the pieces cut for my basic frame. Now all I've got to do is connect these several pieces of junk all together so that I have one solid piece of junk. Ooh, probably shouldn't have put cardboard on the table. That's a problem. I probably should take my mask off. Doesn't look that bad, actually. I think I'm gonna leave it. Now it's starting to look like something. It's starting to look like I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, what have I got now? Got a mess is what I've got. Maybe this broken plant stand for the top. It looks nice. Looks like I could pull something out of there. Maybe some imaginary paper towels. Hey look, they never run out. Alas, because they were never there. Why do I even need paper towels? I've got bath towels, wash towels, dish towels. I got terry cloths, terry towels. Why you want to bring Terry into this? They didn't start anything. Now for the color. I can either do gold or silver, because that's the only two colors I have right now.
Alright, what have I got now? Got a mess is what I've got.
Oh no, it's peeling off. Something tells me I should go with silver. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, windy. Okay, now the fun begins. I'm gonna quit for the day. Why do they call it hardboard? Isn't all board hard? Oh, cardboard. No, cardboard. I guess that's why people in cardboard houses shouldn't throw stones. You should never throw stones, really. Why would you throw a stone? Especially if you're in a cardboard house. Cardboard house would probably be easy to fix, though. You could just tape it. Unless it started to rain, then your house would melt. If I'm gonna have a house melt around me, it's gonna be made out of ice cream. You need a lot of paper towels to clean up a melted ice cream house. These braces I cut look like a beaver did it. That's insulting the beaver. What's the difference between a beaver and a woodchuck? Why'd they have a show called Leave It to Beaver? Why would you leave anything up to a beaver? Seems like a recipe for disaster. Who knows what they're gonna decide? It's probably got something to do with wood. They are pretty smart, though. Build their own houses. Since they're so good at making things out of wood, bet they could make some great paper towels. I don't even know if that show had a beaver on it. Should've. Problem-solving, paper towel-making beaver. I've got this old fabric. Where'd I even get this? Maybe the beaver left it. No. This obviously is the property of this monkey that's on it. He's got a little vest. I don't know why he's wearing a vest. Who told him to do that? Probably the beaver. Are the monkey and the beaver even friends? I mean, what type of friend tells another friend to wear that vest? I say, get out of that vest, you look ridiculous. Not the beaver. The beaver's like, oh, you look good in that vest, monkey. You wear this vest, beaver. Let's see how you look in it. Aw, yeah. Oh yeah. I mean, I kind of get where the monkey's coming from. I mean, every time you climb a tree, you got this crazy beavered woodchuck thing that keeps cutting down your trees to make paper towels. I mean, I get it. Beavers love to make paper towels. Scientific fact. I mean, they're clean freaks. The monkey needs to try to reason with this beaver. Say, look here, beav. You keep cutting down all my trees. You are not going to have any more trees left to make yourself your paper towels. You're going to have one dirty dam. And the beaver's like, oh man, I'm sorry, monkey. I didn't know. What do you propose? Well, look here, beaver. I got bamboo. And bamboo grows a lot faster than trees. So you can just keep making and making and making your paper towels so that no one will ever run out of the store. Plus, I get to keep all my trees. Well, that sounds good. People are always saying leave it to the beaver. Maybe I should leave it to you, monkey, because you are smarter than me. The wisdom's in the trees, my friend. The wisdom's in the trees. What'd I do with those marble-looking things I had at the beginning? I've lost my marbles. I've lost them. I found them. I found my marbles. You misplace them. You want them back. You lost them. Just don't care. Introducing Beaver Monkey Paper Towels. 20 times more absorbent than no paper towel at all, which is what we have in the store right now. So, since the only thing that this dispenser cost me was an incredible amount of time, I'm almost out of these folded paper towels. I better order some more. Looks like the beaver and the monkey have got some more work to do.